everybody! I hope you watched my cooking live stream. Just finished. I made a cold noodle this time, and as I was using homemade mentsuyu, I said I was going to show you how to make it. So immediately I decided to show you how to make a mentsuyu. Here are the ingredients. 100 ml of soy sauce, 85 ml of mirin, 25 ml of sake, 5 grams of Bonito flakes, slice of kelp, and a piece of dried shiitake mushroom. It's very simple ingredients. Very easy process. It'll take a while, that's all. So let's get started. You put all the ingredients in a pot, as everything has so much umami. You're just gonna leave it for one night to get all the umami together. The next day, when it's get ready, you heat it up to allow the alcohol evaporate. I've never thought that I could actually make mentsuyu by myself when I was a child, so at that time I was taking so much time choosing really delicious mentsuyu at the supermarket. But once you get to know how to make it, suddenly everything becomes so easy to make everything, which is so wonderful. Now I take time to look for really delicious condiments. When it's completely boiled, let it cool. Then filter it. That's all. It's ready to use. Look how beautiful the color is. I think this is the real Japanese color, which makes you feel so hungry and wanting to eat. As I don't like to waste any of the food, I don't even want to waste the used ingredients, as it still has all the umami inside it. I'm just gonna make furikake, the flakes, which you can enjoy with steamed rice. You just add sesame and burn off all the liquid. That's all. Then you can enjoy this great umami. I love it! You're not wasting anything, and you enjoy every bit of it until the last bite. That's why I can't stop cooking. This is a great thing about cooking, and so much enjoyable. So how was the recipe of how to make mentsuyu? It was just simply so easy, wasn't it? Once you made this concentrated type of mentsuyu, you just keep this in the fridge for 10 days, which is very useful. So whenever you need it, you just stretch out with dashi, just like what I did on the live stream. But you can also use water to stretch out. Whichever you find it easier, you can find both ways really delicious. So please try this out. It's just so safe, delicious, very convenient for your everyday cooking life. So thank you for watching. See you!